S4 due to chronic hypertension. So chronic hypertension causes LV hypertrophy, which decreases the LV wall compliance and produces S4. So S4 is the fourth heart sound. It is pre-systolic or late diastolic heart sound. So how this S4 is produced? So three factors which lead to production of fourth heart sound. That is, one is decrease in the LV wall compliance because of LV hypertrophy. Then LV is filled to its capacity during diastole and the atrial contraction happens. So when atrial contraction happens during late diastole, that is rapid gush of blood in left ventricle whose wall is less compliant. So there is rapid increase in LV pressure, and the fourth heart sound is produced due to two reasons. One is that LV impacts against the chest wall, and second, there is rapid deceleration of the forced blood volume coming from the atria.